I'm going to be showing you a really cute beachy decor. And I've looked at several on the internet and tried to come up with the best ideas. I am real fascinated with, they're called beach box houses. And what they are is like a 5 by 7 maybe room, and they usually have a pretty large door on the front. A lot of them have a door that's so large it opens up like a garage door, and inside they keep fishing tackle, they keep surfboards, beach balls, things like that, fishing poles. But now the craze is they're decorating them and putting like a hot plate in it, and sodas, and making them really cute, red, white, and blue, and you know, nautical. So I thought it would be neat to make something like that for a wall hanger. I've seen a couple of them, not a lot, but you know, enough to get some ideas. And check them out. They're called beach box houses, and you'll see what I'm talking about. A lot of times they'll all be in the same color palette, like red, white, and blue, or bright colors, or pastels. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to start with this puzzle with all, you know, they have the train and the house, all the pieces, and I took those out, and I glued 2 of them together. 3 would be neat, but I'm just doing 2 for right now. So you can use wood glue or whatever glue you think would work best. I think almost any glue would be fine, even Elmer's probably. Now I'm going to start with these, and inside I'm from the pieces I'm using some of those for later down the line. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is the Jenga pieces. I'm going to put those on top of here like this, red, white, and blue across. Okay. Now so you'll need that. You'll need these little houses, and I'm using these. Some wooden letters, some rope, twine, paints, red, white, and blue, or whatever color you prefer. And this is, I'm going to use for a surfboard, and it's the bottom of those wooden ships that you put together. I pretty much take stuff out of those and use them for something else. This is a piece from it I'm going to use for a fishing pole. And these are from inside this, and I'm going to use like a beach ball, and this will be a door. So the next thing will be to paint this and the top, because it's going to hang on the wall, but I want a little ledge here. So that's what I'll do next, is paint those. Okay, this is the second step. You're going to paint the Jenga pieces, 2 white, 2 red, 2 blue, and paint them all the way around. It's easier than trying to predict which side's going to show. Okay, then I'm taking my 2 puzzle boards, and I'm going to paint the edges. I'm pretty new to this DIY Dollar Tree. I've always done DIYs, but not Dollar Tree, so I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe and get notifications also. And I will try to do some interesting, beautiful DIYs. I also have a house that we bought for $1,200, and we're remodeling it, so I'm going to show some of the things we're doing. And this trailer, which is an RV from the 60s, mid-60s, and I do a lot of decorating in it, so stay with us. Now, the other thing is, I will be painting the letters in a whitewash look, most likely. And these will be the doors. So I'll go ahead and paint those with a base coat, and then I'll add probably some stripes or something. But right now I just want to get the base painted and add texture or whatever effect, and get these all painted and dried. I've painted all the little pieces, the 2 blue, 2 red, and 2 white Jenga pieces, the bottom of the ship surfboard, and all my letters that say beach. Those I've done in white. My doors, they came from the puzzle pieces. And I'm going to use these for a couple beach balls from the puzzle pieces. And these are sticks that I use for, this was from the ship too. It's going to be a fishing pole. And this is, I use for when I make cakes to test them. And I painted that. I'm going to cut it for more fishing poles. And then I have my line here that I'm going to use. What I'll do is this string, I will take it apart to make it smaller, this twine. Okay, so now I have my box houses, my beach box houses, and I'm going to paint the edge to match the red, white, and blue thing. I like a lot of different shades of beach themes. I like the aqua and the pink. There's just, you know, anything you can. Blue is popular because of the water, and tan because of the sand. But you can incorporate a lot of those. So I'm going with this red theme and try not to get it on the edges. And after I get all these painted, the balls I will probably add, make them two-toned. I'm not sure. I think I will maybe put some blue in there with this. And these doors, I will paint a couple stripes on them. After I get all of it done, I'm going to take some brown paint, water it down, and go over everything with it, and then wipe it off like antiquing. And I've done that on other videos. My 4th of July videos, I've done that. Okay. And the other one I will do in the blue, navy. So after this dries, I can continue by putting everything together. Now the 2 pieces of wood that are the back piece, I will put some antiquing on that too, because I'm coordinating it with the early American that I'm doing in my studio trailer here. There are some holes in these, so I just put a little bit of spackling, which they do have at the Dollar Tree, or caulking would work. I'll tell you another trick I do, I think is pretty good ideas. So I don't have to keep putting my brushes in water. I put them in little baggies. They're actually plastic gloves for your hand when, you know, for when you're cleaning, and you get like 1,000 of them for $1 or something. So I use those, and I don't have to keep going back and forth with cleaning brushes, or, you know, take a chance of them drying out. And then with my surfboard, I'm going to sand it down a little to give it a little rounder edge. And then I'm going to do a few stripes, zigzags or something. So that's, you know, total personal preference. You could also use a paint stir stick and whittle it down, as they used to say in the South. Whittle it down with a knife and give it a little round edge. Okay, so that's that. And these I will screw into the wood, and then you'll hang towels, or I would say beach towels would be cute on these. That's what I would do. And this can be totally functional too. You know, if you're secure it, you You can use it. E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O. Oh, McDonald's. E-I-E-I-O. So, I'd rather do this than eat. Well, that's not altogether true, or I wouldn't be trying to be on a diet. But I can go long. I'm just talking to myself right now, because the video is done. Yep, that's what we do. Yep, we talk to ourselves. Okay, now I'm going to stop for a minute and regroup. And this is going to be fun. Okay. I'm taking these puzzles, children's puzzles, turning them over, gluing them together, and then I painted it all white, antiqued it in blue. I got this on Beach Time, and this is all from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to hang it above it. I'm going to add these little hooks from Dollar Tree. I sprayed those white so they could take a little more wear and tear, and you can hang beach towels on it, and this says on Beach Time. And then I'm going to take some of this rope. I got this at one of the craft stores. It's white. I suppose you could try bleaching the white rope from a Dollar Tree. I don't know. I've never tried that, but it might work. But this was half off, and I got my money's worth for it. I can't remember what it was, but and I will, you know, decorate a little with this, and then the wooden nautical anchors that come in a pack of, you get like 6 different things. You get the boats, you get the anchors. These are really a good deal. You get a lot for $1. And I'll put those on the edge just to make it more interesting. I love this white, yellow, and blue for beachy look. I think it's really fresh. This is the finished product, and as you can see, it has a couple of hooks on it, so you could hang hats or towels, dish towels in the kitchen, or bath towels. You could even hang them this like on a door when you're getting ready to come into your beach house or cottage. Would be really neat. And I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please subscribe and hit the notification button, and we'll be doing a lot more videos like this.